Hi guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor located in Citrus County, Florida. Today I'm in the neighborhood of Arbor Lakes. It's a 55+ waterfront community on the Salapopka chain of lakes. It has a clubhouse and a community swimming pool, as well as a separate space to store your RVs and boats. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage with over 2,700 living square footage and almost 3,300 total square footage. It's perfectly move-in ready and a beautiful home. So if you have any questions, give me a call at 352-507-5675 and be sure to check the description below with the address, the price, and all the details. Come take a tour with me. Thanks for joining me on a tour of this awesome home here in Arbor Lakes, the 55+ community on the Salapopka chain of lakes. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, and be sure to check the description below with the address, the price, and all the details. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button for more home tours here in Citrus County, Florida. Have a good one.